up guys, the boss and coming in the video, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Put your head on my shoulder.
Why you doing, John Croft?
But as usual guys, right before we get in here, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, see we there now, first video now. So, pretty much to sum up this video, I want to tell you guys that this video is very sensitive and I had to edit some stuff and cut some stuff because I don't want YouTube flag the video. Alright? Okay, so the story goes like this. A woman in Port Antonio is on her way to wherever, going about her business pretty much. This man come, grab the woman bag and run. So the woman decided to fight and run him down, finally catch on to him and pretty much stab him right in the eye. That happened. A mob of people in Port Antonio run down and then pretty much whoop his ass, beat him up very bad. So viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, so here we go peeps. I'll get right into the video. I want ya grimy. Make we go in right now. Alright.
Please. Step back. Step back, please. Step back, pick it up.
In a Port Antonio, yeah.
No, we are not Port Antonio. I say I'm never buying them.
I want to be but me say me still come from. Stop the woman back on a run. The woman said, see, I'm back on one car and him a run along with the woman back.
Round of applause. I applaud that lady. How much woman know who not do that? Enough woman will stand up and say thief, but that woman decide say, oh, not today Satan. She run on him backside and when she finally catch him, she stab out him in the eye. And after she done stab out him in the eye, the whole mob in a Port Antonio whoop his candy ass. Yeah, they mash him up. You know what I mean? They on the ground, look at wasted. One lady I say she feels sorry for him. I don't feel sorry for him. Them need to go work. You know what I mean? COVID affect everybody across the board right now. And need to go look at work. Go look work and stop rob people. You know what I mean? Go learn a trade or something, sir. And him lucky in my life. Because if I did Kingston or a certain place or a certain country, them would have killed him. Yeah, tell them not chop off him hand, them chop off him head, him foot, certain country not run them joke there. Him lucky. So sir, change your life, heal up, go look at trade or something. And enough of them youth have a whole heap of talent, you know. And just sit down there and utilize the talent. Then just sit down there, every man just want easy life and so yo, COVID affect everybody bro, even me. So we just have to just stand there and make fashion right now. You know, so yeah. Big up to the lady, you know what I mean? Warrior princess that is it. Real Zena.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Well on, a lotion. The man. Yes, when the man I do the public hand sanitizer. When you got some. The man a proper beard in a lotion in the man I do, you know. Father God. You see a beard, the man. The man say protection from all but not just on everything around you can't
Look at
touch
this
it.
dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
You nasty. Alright, next video now, peeps.
Oh!
Why you do it, John Crow?
Oh, bomba.
Blow it.
Bullet.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I stole my boyfriend's phone today and tried to call Goat, only to find out Goat is me.
Wagwan peeps, big up on yourself. I really and truly hope you enjoy that video there. Yeah, me know it kind of short still, but guess what? We'll keep the pot bubbling. Yeah? More things to come, man. As me say, you know what say, me have a little surprise for telling them to look out for a prank from Miss Sinus and thing. It a go drop today. Now go on yourself, man. A prank from Miss Sinus. Try out for me, you know, but you see it. Stay tuned, man. It's a drop today, you know. But here my thoughts on the whole matter. That brother there, I really hope him learn him lesson and change him life, because in most cases thief not really survive in this situation, especially when them finally catch the thief. I lucky him lucky, and that woman they look like she no ramp. If you stab out your eye, if you're a woman to run you down, catch you and stab out your eye, in a normal, a real bad woman, that warrior princess, yeah. And the mob of people them beat you and them not kill you, you're very, very fortunate. Me feel God have a purpose for you, young man. So I really advise you to change your life while you're in the hospital right now, I recover and thing. Focus on life, focus on God, focus on the change in your life. As I say, I know you as a man, you probably have a hidden talent. We all have talent. Try to monetize that and just change your life. COVID affect all of it. Fast life, the easy life ain't it, man. Anything you get too fast and just so it just go like that. So yeah, the other video them now, I don't know whether brother they do behind the cow. I worried my youth. Why you do it? Yeah, I'm worried about that thing then. When them do the baby right there, so I'm gonna eat you and 9 and 10 you. God know. You know what I mean? Miss, if the reason why the man save your number as GOAT, it means the greatest of all time. So you are the greatest of all time. But I understand if you feel say him a call you GOAT. I probably think so too if you never tell. If me never know or something like that. You know, him rude. I feel away. But anyway, peeps. The brother there with the hand sanitizer all over him body, so be careful when you use them public hand sanitizer station. They see them on a rubber on them arm, in them crutches in bottom, fully covered, sanctified. Abunda shakalaka. Woo! Yeah. So yeah, man. I worried. But anyway, peeps, big up on yourself. Happy. Hold on, today the hour. Thursday. It's a happy Thursday, man. Some throwback Thursday videos. And some throwback Thursday posts you can put up. Yeah. So happy Thursday. Big up on yourself. It is after 7. So 10 past 7 a.m. right now. Thursday morning. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the day. Shout out to the whole crew and everybody. All I'm working class people them. Let's go. Go out there and get that grind. Keep it up. Send some positivity and some love your way. Thank you very much for watching. And just go on journey with your boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock.
Find a queen, Jane.